Hello friends, today we will discuss about the preparation of synthetic rubber. First, Bunnayers or Bunnayers. Bunnayers or another name for this styrene butadiene rubber. You know styrene butadiene rubber means SBR. This is a styrene. It is an elastomer copolymer of this styrene and 1,3 butadiene. Structure for this styrene: benzene ring attached CH double bond CH2 plus 1,3 butadiene 1 3 butadiene. Here CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2. This is 1,3 butadiene. Name for this 1,3 styrene. Here n moles of the styrene reacts with n moles of the 1,3 butadiene. Only addition polymerization takes place. Addition takes place, does not replace any or condensation process. Here this double bond shifted to here and formation of this bond, then this shift to here and this undergo the polymerization takes place. This reaction takes place in the presence of this and formation of this benzene ring CH bond shift to CH2 bond CH2 bond CH double bond CH bond CH2. Here bond, here also bond. This is SBR, that is Bunnayers. In these Bunnayers, styrene, 25 parts of styrene reacts with 75 parts, means 75%. 1,3 butadiene reacts with 25% styrene. This is the addition polymerization and formation of the Bunnayers. This addition polymerization takes place by the action of sodium and it is vulcanized with sulfur. Vulcanized with sulfur and formation of the vulcanized rubber Bunnayers or Bunnayers, that is a styrene butadiene rubber. It is used in making inner tubes of tires, motors, bubble gums, etc. Second synthetic rubber, neoprene rubber. The monomer used is chloropene. Chloropene, that is 2-chloro-buta-1,3-diene. 2-chloro-buta-1,3-diene. This undergo the polymerization. It is condensation polymer of chloropene. Chloropene polymers with rapidly in presence of oxygen or peroxide to give CH2C Cl double bond CH, single bond CH2 taken n times. This is neoprene. Here this bond shifting, polymerization shifting this bond here, this long chain polymer takes place, neoprene. Vulcanization of this neoprene takes place. This undergo the vulcanization. In presence of vulcanization of this neoprene takes place in presence of the magnesium oxide. magnesium ऑक्साईडच्या प्रेझेन्स मध्ये ह्या निओप्रीनचं व्हल्कनायझेशन होत आहे आणि व्हल्कनायझेशन होऊन हार्ड व्हल्कनाइज्ड निओप्रीन रबर इथे फॉर्म होतो. रिएक्शन फॉर दिस CH2C Cl double bond CH bond CH2 CH2 bond CCl double bond Cl bond CH2 bond. This reacts with magnesium oxide MgO to give then formation of bond CH2 bond C double bond CH bond CH2, here bond continuous, this OC CH2 bond double bond CH bond CH2 bond. This is a vulcanized neoprene rubber. Taken this n times. This vulcanized neoprene rubber used in manufacture of conveyors, belt, insulators of cables. It is superior to natural rubber and resistant to chemical action, that is vulcanized neoprene rubber. Next, biodegradable polymers. Synthesized biodegradable polymers to avoid environmental problems. First, BV polymer, that is polyhydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate. It is a copolymer. The monomer used are 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. It has an ester linkage. Here, n moles of 3-hydroxy butanoic acid reacts with 3-hydroxy that is 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. This undergo the condensation, removal of water molecule here takes place, H2O remove, and formation of the PHBG. Here this OH and this H combines with each other and removal of H2O molecule from this polymer and formation of BHB polymer. Here O CH, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, O, here bond CH, this CH2 CH3 group CH, then here CH2 C double bond O, O bond, this taken n times. This is PHBV. Here this OH, this OH, H combines with another OH and formation of the H2O. This CH, CH3, O as it is. CH2, C double bond O, O. This H combines with this OH, H2O. CH, CH2, CH3 as it is. Bond, here CH2, C double bond O, bond O. This CH combines with another OH and this is a continuous esterification linkage here takes place, that is biodegradable, synthesized biodegradable polymer PHBV, that is polyhydroxybutyrate co beta hydroxyval. Second, synthesized biodegradable polymer nylon to nylon 6. It is copolymer and contains polyamide linkage. Nylon means polyamide linkage, that is a CO bond, NH bond. This linkage is present here. It is obtained by condensation polymerization. This is a condensation polymerization takes place. Of the monomers, that monomers are here glycine and omega aminocaproic acid. Formation of this nylon 2 nylon 6 reaction, N glycine NH2 bond CH2 bond COOH. This is the glycine reacts with omega aminocaproic acid. Omega aminocaproic, cyclic chain for this omega aminocaproic acid for preparation of the nylon 6. Same here, C double bond O, NH, here CH2, CH2, CH2 5 times, here NH, and this converted into NH2 CH2, from this taken 5 times COH. This is omega aminocaproic acid, this is the omega aminocaprolactam, and this glycine reacts with this omega amino caproic acid. Glycine reacts with omega aminocaproic acid and formation of, by condensation process, removal of H2O molecule here remove, and formation of the nylon 2 nylon 6 polymer, means NH2 and COO. This OH combines, C double bond O, CH2 bond, NH bond, C double bond O bond, CH2 taken 5 times, bond NH bond taken n times. This is nylon 2 nylon 6 polymer, means H from this NH2 and OH from this COOH carboxylic group. Here also H and OH combines and formation of the amide linkage, that is CONH, and this polymer is known as nylon 2 nylon 6 polymer. These are biodegradable polymers are used as orthopedic devices, implants, structures, and drug release matrices. They are biodegradable or degraded by bacteria in the environment.